too excited for this. But hi guys, my name is Amber and we all know why we're here, so let's get straight into the video. Here's my bag of goodies. Okay guys, I was like ready to open this up like in the car, but I knew I had to show y'all, so here we go. I'm gonna give you guys the prices of everything I bought. I got some accessories to go with it as well, so we'll cover those too. So in total, I paid $704.33, period. This is my first big girl purchase, my first investment purchase, so very exciting things. The first thing we have is an SD card or memory card. SD, yeah, that's what that's called. We got 128 gigabytes. That was $14.99. Okay, cool. Next we have a cleaning kit, because you know, if you buy something like this, you gotta keep it clean. So we got this cleaning kit. It has this little air thingy to keep air out of it, and then this is to dust it, spray, and then you know, a little wipe, because we gotta keep it nice and clear. And that was only $5.99. And then we have this memory card reader for my laptop, because of course Apple didn't put any necessary ports on my laptop. So we got this so that I can read the memory card. And I didn't get the Apple brand because, you know, I'm trying to save some coin. And it was, wait a dang minute. Oh my gosh, I got gypped. I bought this because I thought it was cheaper than the Apple one. But now that I'm looking at my receipt, it was $35. So we might not be seeing her. She's probably going back to the store, and I'm gonna buy the Apple one because now I'm upset. I thought this was like $15. I was so wrong. All right, let's get all of the little ones out the way. Also, I got a 2-year warranty on my camera, so that if I accidentally break it, crack it, drop it, whatever to it, I can go to Best Buy and get it fixed. And that was $90 for the 2-year warranty. So yeah, but here she is. Breathe. Okay, she was $499.99. They claimed that it was a $130 discount because of Black Friday, and that the original price is $629.99. I don't know how true that is. They could always have that say $130 sale, but your girl wasn't trying to find out, so I got her. Let's open it up. Okay, let's do this. I got this camera because it's really hard to film without seeing yourself. Like right now, most of my videos are stationary, so it's not that big of a deal. But I really want to start vlogging and, you know, taking my subscribers like with me to go get my hair done, things like that, because I'm a lot channel. So I really wanted to get this camera, and I love the quality of it, and I've heard really good things. I looked at a couple of other ones, and it just seems like this gives me everything I want all in one, so that's why I posted it. Okay, when I opened it up, it says I have a Canon limited warranty. I think this is for a year, but you know, I already have my Best Buy Genius Bar warranty, so we're chilling. I got a thick manual like me. I don't know if we're gonna read through this, but I don't know how to use the camera. This is my very first camera. I had one actually when I was like 10, but it wasn't real, you know, it was just for fun. So I don't know how to use it. but that's what this is for. Okay, we almost there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next we have oh, this is to hold the camera, you know, on your wrist so you don't flick it off anywhere. Here is the battery charger and the battery. Oh my gosh, look at her. Oh no, oh no, oh no, no. That's why I got the warranty. Okay. Okay. There she is. Let's pop her out. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's so cute and little. Here she is. Oh my gosh. They have her laying in this like little, oh, it's so cute. It's like unwrapping a little present. Open a little flap. I just dropped the battery in. What? Oh, there she goes. She popped in. Okay. Guess I'll put the memory card in now too. We got her open. Can somebody tell me what the little baby one's for? Here's the battery, and I'm just gonna try to put it in. Oh wait, the little one goes in there, I think, or does it not? I'm also not good with anything electronic, so like I barely get these videos up this way. Oh yeah, she in there. Oh, she in there, she in there. Okay, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, y'all. I have to set the date and time, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and come right back. We're back. When I turned it on, it said memory card error, so I found out what the little thing was for. I took the little thing and I put it in the bigger thing, and then I put the SIM card, the SD card, back in my camera, and then I went to my settings and formatted the SD card so that it's good to go. And then I'm gonna turn it, because you know I'm gonna act like I'm vlogging, you know. Okay, I just went to the video setting and she's on. Okay. Oh, I just took a picture. Okay, now we're recording. Okay, I hope y'all can see the difference. Okay, now we're recording. Okay, I hope y'all can see the difference. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm about to take my battery out, charge it, and come back to y'all. We're gonna do a quality comparison, and then we're gonna take her outside for a little bit to just see how it works. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking nice, y'all. I'm filming on my iPhone 11 Pro, so just so y'all know. But look at this. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is how it looks. It's so nice. That's my sister. Oh my goodness. It's so nice. If you're saving up for this camera, if you asking this or just find a way, do it. I love it.